Hey guys, this is Ernest, and in this quick video, I want to show you guys how to buy leads from Family First Life and Integrity. The first time I tried to do this, I was having some trouble, so I figured I'd make a video for the people that want to do this because I have to actually buy leads right now. Anyway, so the CRM, they have actually changed since I had joined, but it's gateway.uppatop.com/login. You'll go ahead and put your email and password. If you haven't registered, register and talk to the person who brought you in. So I'm going to log in. And this is the main dashboard. So you'll see your stuff. You should see your name and producer on the top right. And your production and stuff. But you're going to go over here to the left. If you need to do contracting and things, then click on those. But we're going to click ILC, which is the lead center stuff. So it'll redirect over there. This is the Integrity Lead Center part of it. So this is where we're going to buy leads. So we're going to click on the state and the county that you want to. You can do that, or you can actually click on the map itself. So I'm going to click on California, and I'm going to buy some leads right over here in orange. So I'm right here in orange where my office is. And so once we click on that, it'll show you on these three boxes exactly what there is. Right now, there's no social media or direct leads at the moment. But there's tons of internet leads here. So as you can see, there's 1 month, 3 months. So I'm going to go ahead. I really like to put stuff on autopilot. So even these older leads are valuable to me. So I'm going to go ahead and buy 20 of the 3-month leads. Okay, in another video, maybe I'll go over the automation that I utilize, but I'm going to go ahead and get 20. Obviously, besides the automation, actually making the phone calls, right? So I'm going to go over here. You're going to click the cart. So it's going to take you to the actual cart where you're going to, process it. If you have a coupon code, you'll put it here. But for now, these are $3. So $3 times 20 is 60 bucks. So it's costing me $61.79 for 20 leads. And I buy leads, right now I'm buying them like every day or every other day. So I just want fresh leads. So I'm buying 20. I already have my card in there. If you don't, then you'll put that in there. I'm going to purchase. I'm going to go ahead and agree. And there we go. And then once it's done, I click on manage leads and I have them now. And that's it. So it's that simple. Now I have all these leads to work with. And so in another video, I'm going to go over, other different things that I do after I get the leads. So stay tuned.